Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the basic functions and how to use Battlescribe, a free app on Android. It's also available on PC and almost any other platform. So let's get into it. We open up and here I already have a list, so I'm just gonna delete that one. And I already have a database, so I'm gonna remove that one. And just a quick note before we start getting into database. Just remember, when you actually create the list, it's not this app is not like one thing that you need. You also always need the basic rules or anything for your tabletop game that you want to play. So keep that in mind. So we press on this button right here first. Then it will ask us to add another data. We're gonna press yes because we want a new data. And from this list you'll be able to select your preferred tabletop that you want to play. So I'm gonna choose the Warhammer for this example, 40k. This one exactly. We're gonna go back and it's gonna download for our app. So we have a Warhammer 40k database. We're gonna go back again, and in the main screen you can press this plus button to add any new list, and we're gonna add a list, of course, and from the data that we downloaded. So it's Warhammer 40k 9th edition, this one. And from here you'll be able to pick which faction you want to play and create your list with. For example, here I will use this one, the Chaos Space Marines, and from here you can select your force orgy. So pick any detachment that you want, because it depends on how you want to play. I'm gonna pick the basic patrol detachment, so it's easy to create first play and first game, and actually easy for beginning. Yeah. So in details, you can put your name to your list so to find it easier, or just to make it print on your list if you be willing to print it. So I'm gonna name it like this, and from here you can choose the maximum points you can have in this list. In forces you can add multiple detachments, so if I would be playing any higher game I could add another chaos detachment, but not patrol. It's not that basic, so I'm not gonna cover that right here right now. So we press OK and we move to our list, and from here we will be able to pick and add any units or characters to our list, or add any configuration options that we want. So first thing, we need to add configuration option. We press plus on the bar that we want to add something to, so configuration plus, and from here we need to add a battle size to make the list viable, and we press OK. And what it does, it adds to our CP limit 3 CPs. So last time before that, I'm gonna delete that to show you, we have -2 CP, and if I add that, we'll get 3. And to customize which battle size we want, we need to press on that, then press on this circle right here, and from here you'll be able to pick which battle size you'll be playing. So we're going for combat patrol. It generates our 3 CP, so we have 1 right now. And now we can customize anything right here, add any information to our configuration, and next bar is stratagems, and here we can add any stratagems that involves list creating, but we're not gonna do that. Next thing which our list needs is HQ, and we need to add one, so I'm gonna pick this one and press OK, and it's added to our list. Now to customize what equipment he has, or what traits he has or artifacts, we need to press on him, and from here we'll be able to customize whatever we need. So for example, add a chaos mark, so we're gonna pick that one, and then we can have him get jetpack. He will be our warlord because we need one for a viable list, and from here we can choose the equipment he has. I'm fine with what he has right now. Just for example, next bar is troops, and we need to add that as well to make it viable again. So I'm gonna add this one, and it's added to our list again here. So we're gonna press on that, and we can customize it as well, however we like and what options are available to us. So there's the amount of models in the unit, so it's 9 models plus 1 champion, because it's always here. You can also add a new special weapons model or something like that, whatever you like. And yeah, so we got a viable list. Like there's no error here, because otherwise if we would not have viable list, there would be this error, and if we would press on this thing, it would say what's missing from our list to make it viable. So I'm gonna go to troops, add our troop unit, and we have a viable list, kinda. So to actually check the rules on it and everything, you still need a codex and basic rules to play. So but you have a list now. You can print it, you can use it to see better references and not just flip pages, just had it in one piece of paper. So press here, then press on these 3 dots, print and save, and from here you'll be able to print it easily, and you can check this out in your phone, tablet, or whatever you like. So yeah, you can customize your list however you want. You can add whatever bar you want, any unit you want. This list is constantly updated, and I mean, a database is constantly updated, and there shouldn't be any problem using that. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.